So, in this video, I'm gonna simplify dropshipping and it's gonna be ultra simple. Extremely simple. So, let's dive into it. So, dropshipping is a fulfillment model. That's all it is. It's a way of getting a product or a service to the customer. You sell a product for high and then you find a cheap way of fulfilling that product or service for cheap. And the most common way is shipping physical products from China. So you take that money from the customer where you sold the product or service for high, you find a person that you can, or a supplier, in this case, since we're dropshipping physical products, that can source and fulfill the order for cheap. And then we keep the profit in between. And then we use that profit to fuel our ads, our business, all that stuff. Okay, so where you're gonna get the edge is if you focus on the marketing. Focus on the marketing. Okay, and that's really a really broad kind of phrase of me to say, like for focus on the marketing. So I'll simplify it down here. So the best copywriters, the best marketers, the best businesses will spend 80% of their time in the research phase, crafting the offer, learning about their target audience and what product they'll sell or create. And the offer, in other words, is the offering, which is exactly what the customer will get in the simplest terms. Therefore, it's just this is the product they're going to get. A great offer sells itself, therefore, a great product sells itself, because if the offer is the offering and it is literally what the customer is getting, it's the product, right? In this case, especially since we're selling physical products, it's literally the physical product that they're going to get. Therefore, we need a great product. And I'm going to tell you what a great product is in a bit here. If a great product or a great offer sells itself, I've just said that. Okay. So that means if you don't have a great offer, if you don't have a great product, and then you slap on the marketing, it's going to be an uphill battle. Okay. It's going to be very hard to sell that product. If the offer is bad, if the product is bad, and then I didn't mention it here, but if there's no demand for the offer or for the product, then it's going to be an uphill battle. So if we want to create a great offer, we'll need a great product. So when we're doing our research to find that great offer, to find that great big promise that you're going to promise your customers, which will be your product, we can go out there and we can find a product and just wing it and be like, hey, like I think this product does this, it's gonna be great. I know my niche and stuff. Typically, people that are experts of their niche aren't really great at selling things. So here's how I would go about it. I wouldn't actually do anything from scratch because why would I do things from scratch? The demand is already there. Let me go find the demand. Let me go find what people actually want because they're the ones that are buying. I'm the one that's selling. So let me see what they're buying right now. Okay? Easy way to do that is figure out what they're buying right now. Just that simple. Why did they buy the products? What were the things that stood out to make them buy the products? What were the things that stood out in the advertisements? What were the problems with the product they're using right now? Fuck. What outcomes are they looking for with the products? Once we determine all the reasons why they're buying whatever solution is available right now in the market, it makes it much easier. Because now all we have to think of is how can I make it better? How can I get them the results faster, more simpler? How can I make it even easier for them to achieve the outcomes without the things that they hate or dislike about their current products or things that they hate or dislike about what they're doing right now. So that's all it is. And part of that is, how can I do all of that and also get the cheapest cost on manufacturing the product or sourcing the products, right? And then it also has to be something that they can obviously use simply and it's easy to understand. So it's not going to be like a crazy new gadget that's way off of what they're familiar with. It's definitely going to be something that they're already familiar with. When you look at all the phone softwares, they're all very familiar. It's very easy to use and learn. Okay, so no one's making something extremely new. They're just making it better. Okay, so this is super important about dropshipping. Okay, a lot of dropshipping is just reverse engineering. So we'll go out there, we'll see and find competitors. We'll see what has been sold before, how is it being sold, which is what's the big message they're kind of taking on in their marketing. And then we want to replicate that and just do it better. And better could be just simply just a better product, or when it comes to the marketing, it's just showing the benefits much better than they do. Or it's adding, even you could sell the same similar products with the same similar ads, but where you'll get the advantage could literally just be that you're able to outspend them, which means that you have a killer backend in your business. So you have a bunch of upsells, emails, all that stuff, so that you just spend much more upfront. So customers will see you much more and you'll be top of mind compared to your competitors, assuming all the other variables are the same. Because all we're doing with dropshipping and when we're running ads as direct response marketers is just simply getting the product in front of the right person, using the right attention grabbing hooks that qualifies for your right customer, using the right visuals, using the right words, and simply just being, hey, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Let me show you. You have objections? Let me tackle those objections. Here's all the other people using it. Click here to get your product. That's literally it when we have a great product. So, a great product can sell itself. If it can sell itself, it's probably a very simple to use product. It's probably very easy to understand. And you can probably literally just show it in use to demonstrate the benefits because it probably delivers the results fast. If I'm selling a skincare product for skin to get rid of acne or oils and stuff, I'm going to sell some sort of serum that you can apply to your face. It's something that people are familiar with. I can show the results. The unit economics are very great, easy to work with. It's very cheap to produce, and we can mark it up for very high amounts of money. And it's just a great product overall compared to, for example, a tool or a light device or whatever, right? A serum that you can literally just throw on your face, boom, done, right? And when it comes to, getting rid of pain, just consume a pill, right? So if I were to sell pain relief, I would probably explore a pill that doesn't have harmful ingredients, but can do the same things but better, potentially. Right? And I'm just reverse engineering what's in the market. Obviously, when you go out there and you want to sell a skincare product or a pain relief product, you're competing against really good products that do what they do really good and fast. If you're trying to sell a massage device to get rid of pain, just know you're going against painkillers. Maybe we don't want to go that route. Maybe we want to sell to different types of people. Then maybe we don't want to sell to pain relief people. So go back to the drawing board. Why are people buying massage devices? Why are they actually buying it? Read the comments. See why they're actually buying it. Is it for pain relief? I guarantee you, most people aren't buying massage devices for pain relief. They're probably just buying it for probably something even more simple than pain relief. It's probably just it massages. That's it. It's just a great massage device. It digs deep into the knot, stuff like that, right? So it's not necessarily the end goal that people are buying it for, but it's probably the means, right? So that's why it's very important to really dig into why people are actually buying the product right now in the market. Because if we want to sell something, we're not trying to make things up. We're trying to figure out exactly why people are buying things right now, and we're just trying to hit those same points or hit those points even better on a deeper level of understanding. Okay, so the equation is so simple. Let me see how much time we got here. The equation is so simple. It's just a cheap to produce products plus high perceived value. Okay, cheap to produce with high perceived value. You will have good margins, easy to use, fast results, simple to understand, less complexity, which means it's easy to sell. It could literally be by demonstration. And then if it's easily demonstrated, your ads are going to be so much more easier and more compelling. And your customers will have less questions. Okay, so if we can nail those things down, the framework to our ads and the framework to our way of persuasion is going to be real simple. Because then we just have to show the product in front of the person, the right person. So it can literally be as, hey, are you struggling with X problem? Are you looking for X benefit? Well, here's the solution. Here's the product. Here's how it works. Just let me show you how it works. Boom, 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 boom. You can see those results. You have objections or skepticism? Well, here's the answers. Other people are using it. It doesn't do it's better than your existing product in the market. It's better than the things you're familiar with. So here's why you need to switch over. Call to action, right? And this isn't the actual framework one for one, but I'm trying to illustrate and kind of visualize the pattern to persuasion here, right? And persuasion a lot of times is just showing people how it works. Like, hey, look, I put $100 into my bank account. Look at here. Look at the math here. I got 1,000 back over a period of 3 months. Here's how it works, and then it's very safe. It's part of the bank system that no one knows of, like stuff like that. I'm not convincing. I'm persuading, which is by showing. And if you have a great product that's simple, it's going to be much easier to show the benefits. And then the thing is, we're not fighting uphill battle because a lot of these things that we're going to be selling are things that people are already buying or they're already familiar with, or they're in the market for a solution. They just don't know about your product. So you just have to show them the product and then show them the solutions and then show them how it's better than all these other things they may be considering. So to help you visualize it, I crafted an example. Door-to-door sales job. Can't make sales in your door-to-door sales job? Use the script. Here's how it works. And here's what it will look like. Here's how it works. And here's what it looks like. Just use this opening line when you knock on that door. Say this. And then when they say this objection, you say this next. When they don't say this objection, you say this next. And I'm just going to show you it right here on the screen right here. Just literally say these exact words. It's only 7 word long. It's a very quick script that you can memorize in less than 10 minutes. And if you can do that, you can increase your close rate by at least 50%, leads will be much more responsive. Like, look at here, I'm going to do this right now. And then I'll show them a visual of me knocking on the door and using the script, right? So I'm doing a lot of showing, right? So feel free to read this. I kind of wrote it in broken English, but I just want to illustrate the point here. So the product page becomes simple as well, because once they see your ad, once they see your products, what questions will they have, right? You would just repeat, here's what you'll love about this product. Here are the benefits. Here are the objections that it tackles. Here's how the product works. Again, it's simple, it's fast, it's easy. Here's why it's better than the other products. And then you're going to have your frequently asked questions and your testimonials, shipping information, all that excess stuff. But it took me a bit of time to kind of think of, okay, what do all product pages need to tackle? And which sections can tackle these the best instead of splitting it all up? How can I make it as easy for the customer to consume all the benefits of my products and why it's so simple? And I kind of condensed it to these 3 sections on the product page. And then you would just reverse engineer your competitors and brands. But that's it for this video. It's very quick. I hope it was powerful. Sorry if I was coughing a lot and I couldn't get some things out. I am slightly a bit sick, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys because I feel that this is super important concept. Anywhere where you get stuck, like along the process as you get stuck, just know that, hey, like a great product sells itself. So find a new product, because whatever product you're getting stuck on isn't selling itself and you're having a hard time marketing it. Go on to the next product where you'll be able to answer these questions easily, where all these equations are checked off, where it's so easy to do research for you and it's easy for you to understand the customer. Okay? And then the framework will be so easy when it comes to the ads. It'll just be as simple as, hey, are you, boom, just a qualifying hook, and then just show them the benefits. Just literally demonstrate it, and they'll be instantly, like, they'll probably buy it. Like for you guys, if I were selling a product research tool, hey, are you struggling with product research? Here's our AI store scraper. Let me show you how it works. We collect hundreds of thousands of store data every day, and we keep the up-to-date sales or whatever. So here's how it works. Simply search up your niche, and we'll organize stores by sales. Just track any store you want. That way you can see which stores are scaling, and here's all the time frame stuff. It's just that simple. This way it makes product research so easy. You can verify market demand, and it becomes easy. Like I will literally just show you how the product is used if I was selling a product research tool. I will literally just show you because it's a great product, or hopefully it's a great product. Shout out to Shop Hunter. Okay, so Shop Hunter literally does that. So shophunter.io literally does that. So maybe I even sold you on this tool, maybe. Just from saying that, right? So great product sells itself, because when you explain it, it's just literally just showing it how it's used. Like if I were to create a sales page here, I'll probably split test just a quick 30-second video compared to this and show how the product is used and how fast it can find products and track stores and stuff. I would probably do that just as a split test. All right, that's it, guys.